Welcome to BookMe Maldives online booking tutorial. A login access will be provided to you by our team. From your browser, type bookmemaldives.com, enter your login and your password, and you can have an access to over 150 resorts and hotels in the Maldives and over 80 hotels in Seychelles destination. We provide live availability, special offers, and immediate confirmation in our system. First, let's start with your agency access. So to your right, you will find your agents area where you can monitor all your bookings, quotations, payments, and create separate login access to your team members. So under My Bookings, you will find here a record of all the bookings that are on request status, pending payment, confirmed, and cancelled. Under My Quotations, you will find here a record of all the bookings that are on quotation status. And in case your client wish to confirm a booking, then you can just select the reference number, and here you will see the products or the services that has been chosen, the price breakdown, the details of the guest, and the team member who made this quotation. Under agents, you can create a login access to any of your team members. Under My Invoices, you will find here the record of the invoices that already has been issued, as well as the payments that have been made or settled. And if you wish to update your general information, then you can just select My Profile. Next, let's proceed with our products. So in your home page, you will find our search bar, the different holiday categories, all our packages, and our recommended resort collection for both Maldives and Seychelles destination. Let us now proceed with our hotels tab. When making a booking, keep in mind that it is mandatory to book the hotel and transfers through us as per requirement from the resort. We are allowing you to book the transfers at least 14 days prior to the arrival date. So to cite an example, here under the search bar, you can select or type the resort name, choose the travel dates, the number of pax or guests, and always make sure to select the correct nationality of the guest in order for the system to generate the correct rates that is applicable for that market. So once you select search, it will display all the available rooms with applicable meal plans for this travel period. Here you will find as well the cancellation policy that is applicable for this booking, as well as the special offers applied. And if you may notice, here in this button, it has mentioned as booked, that means this is available to book on immediate confirmation. If you will see here as request, that means you can still select it, but then our team members will still have to check with the resort if the room is still available or if it's already full. Moving forward is our transfer tab. Here you may book the return transfers of your clients. So for Maldives transfers, always use Velana International Airport as your origin and type the booked resort name as your destination. For Seychelles, always choose Mahe International Airport as the origin and the main island as your destination. So to provide you an example, so Velana International Airport, the resort name, travel dates, number of passengers, and search. So as you can see, we can have an option here for a speedboat transfer on return basis for this price for 2 adults. Under tours, you will find our dynamic packages where we create a package that includes the transfers and our additional services such as resort activities, excursions, and airport ground handling services. So here we have selected Miru Island Resort and Spa as an example. The duration or the stay dates, number of room, and number of guests. And here you can get a result for this travel period. So for this price, you will find that the room category garden room on full board basis is selected for this price with the return transfers inclusive. So if the guest would wish to select a different room category, that means it will be on this price plus a supplement charge of this much to be able to confirm and book this room category on this meal plan. So let's say we would want a jacuzzi beach villa on full board basis. So we'll choose this and the price will be changed automatically. If they want to go back to the garden room, then it will be this much minus $728. Under trips, you will find our filtered products of hotels and transfers, hotels and activities, hotels with transfers and activities, and you may have the option to change your preferred product as well. So let's say we choose this. Okay. So as you can see here, we have made a booking for Miru Island Resort and Spa, inclusive of meet and greet service and return transfers. So if you wish to change the meet and greet service to a different type of additional activity, then we can also have these options to be selected. So excursions are there as well, and also the lounge, the airport lounge, and the Malay City tour. So let's say we want a Malay City tour, we can just choose this and it will automatically change as a Malay City tour, included for this price. So if you would wish to change the room category, then you can just select change, and we choose the room category that we prefer, of course with an additional supplement charge. So under our services is our additional airport service, which has an arrival and departure service at the airport, activities and exciting experiences as well that you can pre-arrange to your clients. So let's say we have a VIP guest in which they would require a CIP lounge. So we can provide them this executive lounge where it has an additional VIP service that has an immigration clearance, custom clearance, baggage handling, as well as aircraft security service. So we can just select this if you would wish to book this for all your VIP clients. So if you would want a regular meet and greet service by our airport team, then you can also select this option. Now let's try to do a basic booking. So now we go back again to hotels. So to do a basic booking, first we select the resort, the room. So let's say I would want to choose garden room on full board basis. So we book that. As you can see here, the requirement for our transfers is mentioned. The cancellation policy, in which it indicates the deadline if I would need to cancel. Select the name. And here under remarks, you can also indicate any additional information that you would wish to share to us for us to relate to the resort. Like let's say we are honeymooners, or like the guests are gluten-free requirements. Okay. So once we have provided these information, then we add another product, which is the transfers. So once we select the transfers tab, here you will find that the room category that we have selected is already in the shopping basket. So now we proceed with the transfers. So as you can see, Villana International Airport as the origin, and the destination is the resort name. So we book. All right. Now we provide the information. So origin of the flight airport. So let's say I'm coming from Dubai via EK656. Okay, and my destination is Europe. And then on my return, I will be coming from Miru, going to Velana International Airport, and my next destination is Dubai via EK657. All right. So once we select the transfers, then we can continue and book. So as you can see here, our hotel is already booked. All right. Cancellation policy also is there. My return transfers are already made. My details. We proceed to accept the general terms and conditions. And here, if your client is still browsing or checking for other options, then you can select here, I want a quotation of this booking. Or if they wish to confirm the booking, then we continue to the next step, in which we also provide a payment gateway. All right. So let's try and check here. I did not proceed with the booking since this is just a test. So as you can see here, it has been set and recorded that the booking that we just recently made under my quotation. So it's here. So if we would wish to confirm it, then we can just, as what I have mentioned earlier, to select the reference number, and then it proceeds to book. Okay. So that is how we do a basic booking. So if you need further information from our side or clarification regarding this tutorial, please always contact us through this email address. And any information that you would need, like let's say for our airport counter number for your guest upon arrival, always make sure to mention to proceed to our airport counter number 18, where our guest representatives will be there to meet all your guests and assist them to their next transfers. So take you for your time, and we hope to be able to have a fruitful partnership together this year and onwards. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.